Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Woo! And today, guys, we're here with Alkaline, Nah Laugh. I reacted to the audio to the song, yeah? Reacted to the audio. The video dropped 8 years ago. We're here to react to the video. Okay? React to the audio already, so go and search that on this channel and you will find it, the audio, and you hear my opinion, my takes on it. So let's go into the video itself now. Big up yourself for the video, Alkaline. Big up. Better.
Oh yeah.
Bumbleclan, you see that a while ago? Watch it. What that? You know what that? Man, I tell you, say you're the goat.
Prosperity.
Bumbleclan.
Alright now.
Messages.
Full of opposition, I'm a nah laugh. I fashion, we are the music and a knock up. We smoke cloud, but not spot, not.
Full of opposition and him not, brother. Him full of opposition and him not laugh, brother. Like enough ups him out. Him tell you that straight. Him know that.
Alright
so
now.
that's why him keep himself to himself.
Full of opposition, I'm a nah laugh. I fashion, we are the music and a knock up.
Oh, no, say that. I didn't feel the way I bring enough. I didn't feel the way I try bring
opposition,
enough.
I'm a nah laugh. I fashion, we are the music.
Someone tell the writer say, yo, look, writer say now, titanium, metal. Him no give a fuck. Him bulletproof, yes sir.
Yeah. We smoke cloud, but not spot, not up. Just Them no want to see me do it, but man a dog God. Make them look none of the bar, sit in front off. You're the money, never get no sleep, so better talk fast. Anything more want me get, me know the cost. But non-stop, oh we are with the road, we have it done pat. Mash up people, and make it grand crap. I met you, but now give me top chat. Don't know already, don't need. Don't know already, don't need.
Yo, I used to drop some message in that video, I say, dog. I used to drop some message in that video, I say, Alkaline different, bro. Like, when the man tell about him subjects, then when him get, brother, hard and high. He wasn't joking. He was not lying. Alkaline is Alkaline, bro.
Now give me top chat. Don't know already, don't need. Don't know already, don't need. Living life, we're living. Are we? Oi. Alright, then I say we that is all good. What good? Power move and make I go forward. Awful. Only thing we pour out when the cock pull. Charcoal, blacker than the charcoal and the North Pole. I do something you know for go on and bread for start hole. Certainly wish to get a love to see that unfold. Right. A rough road, now look a soft shoal. Paper can't wall in a billfold. Well, I know.
People can't hold a billfold. The problem before that him say, yo, only thing we pull, or only thing we pour, and when the car pull. So basically, only thing we pour, anything we pour, we're in a film circle, and the drinks them, not necessarily LMG them rich, him rich, you see me? Like me say, I break down these lyrics already in the actual audio. So go look for the audio on the channel, you see me? Me not go into much on the audio again, me say them thing already.
Real youth pan rising. I step up and I get to see a new horizon. To the time them where whenever. No long with they are now all the time. Don't know already, don't need. Don't know already, don't need. Living life, we're living. Are we?
So basically, I show you the magazines them, the move them when I make the magazines them. So I'm show you August, I'm show you September. I'm show you the work we are putting outside of the music. So film thing bigger than the music right now. Remember, same done tell you from the beginning of the video, so you're the goal.
Living life, we're living. Are we? Watch this. At 10 degrees, how much census the ends up. Panny move, I got divine, I help us. Mentos, refreshing, sit in different place, I get crushed. Then I must slow down, panny out of mine, you get flush. Get rush, blood I wash them face since I them head tough. Finds with them, you think a chest puff. Them ya gun ya, them no bias, them no generous. Sting them like venomous, now go stick on them a rust. And I if and I no maybe. It go on, you know, if you me further from the ordinary. Don't know.
Man out of this world, dog. Them message them out of this world.
And I if and I no maybe. It go on, you know, if you me further from the ordinary.
Watch ya, alien. Man just say I'm further from the ordinary. Man just say, yo, so listen right now. Me not ordinary. So I don't want to feel like say, yo, me a normal youth. Me not normal. You see me? Yeah. Man, look there. Space. Alien brain. The man out of this world, dog. Messages.
It go on, you know, messages. Me further from the ordinary. Don't know already, don't need any. Don't know already, don't need any. Living life, we're living life, we're living. Are we?
Millions. Badness. Yo, big up the production team behind the video, the messages, the editor for the video. Him bad, are them bad. If I want them, or two of them bad. You see me? Yeah. What can I say? This is Alkaline, bro. What the hell can I say? Not much. This is Alkaline, bro. The man just different, bro. Like, and it's always excited to see the messages where Alkaline put in them video them. Are the cover arts of him song, cause we know that Alkaline is known for that shit. You see me? Alkaline to me are the it's very smart. It's very calculated. Anything when him do, him calculate what him do before him do it. And it's been like that since him found the business. You see me? So big up the Vendetta boss, big up yourself, my G. Big up the Detta fans, them. Yeah, Alkaline go in that video. You see me? Yeah, bad. So anyway, this is I'm gonna leave the one I still. If you enjoyed the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around here if you are new, and I will see you in the next one. Alright, peace.